Here, the San Diego Zoo and San Diego Zoo Safari Park is filled with talented team members, from veterinarians to nutritionists to care specialists that are committed to changing outcomes for wildlife. This next chapter of our history is really formed in what happened to us all this last year. The COVID pandemic has affected all of us. It caused us to step back and ask, are we being as effective as we can be for wildlife conservation? Can we be more strategic? Can we work with partners in a more collaborative way? And so that really led us to look at our work and step back and say, we have 8 areas of the globe across 6 continents where we could work and drive greater outcomes for wildlife, working with partners at all levels, from national to local. So it's a huge change for us and we're excited about it. We welcome everybody to follow our social media channels because that is where we will always be communicating about our conservation work and what goes on here at the zoo and the park, and of course at our website at sdzwa.org.